Hello, what's up, Chatbot? So, TechUltra Solution is the first one who have introducing the Odoo WhatsApp chatbot. So, you can create Odoo WhatsApp chatbot in just 10 minutes. So, first ever WhatsApp chatbot integrations. Okay. So, benefit of this integration considers no coding or knowledge base, zero coding. If you have a no coding knowledge or zero code knowledge, you can create the chatbot, and easy to use plus user friendly, scalable and flexible as well. Also the customer lower resolution time as well. You can make the quick decision as well and reduce the operating cost as well as support cost as well. You don't need to pay any extra amount or additional amount fees to the any the meta, and no third party or BSPs. You can directly integrate with the official cloud meta API. Okay, so in this integration we will guide you how we can integrate this Odoo WhatsApp chatbot. So first, just go to the provider section. So you need to set the providers very first time. So after creating these parameters, configuration file, go to the WhatsApp chatbot. So here you need to create the, for example, here you need to create the chatbot. Okay, and here you need to just give the steps. For example, the first one is the interactive template you want to send. So if the customer sent the hello message, okay, and you need to send the template, then you need to create the template. So for example, you need to create send the interactive template. So you don't need to wait for the meta to approve your templates. You just directly create the template from here. Okay, create and edit. So here you can create the template. The template should be the marketing, template type should be the interactive, language should be the English, and apply to is interactive. Okay, here. So here, for example, if you go to this and I need to put these things in my templates, I go to this and I just copy here. If I go to the component, you need to select the body sections, paste it here, save and new, then select the interactive button. Here the button type, what you want to, so meta is providing the 4 type of interactive template type: the button, list, product and product list. So if I select the list, then I need to add the list as well. So if I select the options, here list. So for example, if I list, put the list on that. First one with the request installation, the second one is the get with the problem, third one is the previous ticket status, and last one is visit necessary. You can customize as per your requirement as well. So if I click on save on new and click on the save close button, and if I click on the edit template and save and close, if I click on save, so here my first interactive buttons as we said, I haven't selected the template, so I need to go to the settings and click on the WhatsApp. Here I need to assign the WhatsApp template and click on the save. Okay, if I go to the again send the hello, here you can see my template has been created and I have received the template as well. Here a list of options will be showing as well. If I go again to the, so here what happened in the Odoo backend, the new contact will be created. So if I go to the contact, okay, and I write down my name here, you can see it will fetch the detail from my WhatsApp profile name, here WhatsApp profile name, and along with that WhatsApp my mobile number, and it will be added the new contact in backend, and along with the country code it will be find my country as well. So automatically in the backend the new contact has been created. Okay, you don't need to create. So if the new customer had sent the WhatsApp message to you, it will create the contact automatically in the backend. No need to create that contact manually. Okay, so this has been configuration has been done. So you can create your own chatbot just like this. So for example, if the customer sent template should be the interactive, and message should be if the customer sends the request installation. For example, if the customer select the request installations, if I write down here, and the parent script should be the hello, and here I have created another template, interactive second, and I click on the edit. Template type should be the marketing, template type should be interactive, language English, and contact, and I need to send the again the template, this, or okay, sorry, if I write down the copy, and if I select here, I need to go to the component sections, click on the body, paste it here, save in new, and type the interactive, and I want to send the button. Okay, so buttons, for example, which type of product, means for a refrigerator, TV, washing machine. For example, if I select the 3 buttons and I click on the save, okay, save it, and here save. So for example, if I go to the here and I click on the request installation, so I have set up this request installation, the second template has been sent. If I select the request installation, click on the second one, here you can see the template has been set. So accordingly you can create the new templates by your own requirement, and I will show you the demonstration how it exactly working. So I need to configure the template as well. So if I go to the WhatsApp chatbot configuration, so we have configured the WhatsApp chatbot configurations and in the script line as well. So here you can pass the actions as well if you want to create the lead, or if you want to assign the particular agent, or here you can add the list of operators or agent you can add here. So any of the agents are available, they can assign that particular chat as well. So I have done the script here. For example, if I go to the hello again, if I go to the hello again, it will be signed with these messages. Okay, get help with the problem. If I select the get help with the problem, so accordingly I have set the get help with the problem, the template will be selected the problems. Okay, if I select the request installation, so I have set the request installation template as well. Here you can see request template has been set up. If I select the washing machine, okay, then related the washing machine template will be sent. If I select the automatic, okay, it will select the meter apply. If I select the water problem, then it will be send the asking for the how you want to raise the ticket or create the lead or assign the agents. If I click on the create lead, for example, so your lead has been successfully created. Okay, if I go to particular lead in the back end and click on the leads, for example, here you can see my lead has been generated here with my all details, with my contact name as well, my number, mobile number, and whatever the description, and that template has been sent to that particular customer as well. Here if I go to again to WhatsApp chatbot, if I click on the particular chatbot, I can see if I click on the channel, so here list of history will be showing that particular user as well. You can see the particular chatbot history as well. So number of how many users have a chat with that particular chatbot, it will be showing the history as well here. Okay, and if I click on the add agent, for example, if I click on the add agent, here you can see agents. So if I click on the add agent, for example, so here whatever the operator has been assigned, so if I go to the mark demo and log into my mark demo, and here you can see, okay, to the mark demo, my chat has been assigned to that particular mark demo as well. So here Mark Demo can chat with that customer in the real time as well. If I go to again the chatbot, here the list of actions, you can assign the action as well. Here you will create the step by step script as well. Whatever the messages or template you want to create, you want to add that particular template for particular response as well. You can pass the actions as well in particular history. Okay. And if you go to the particular WhatsApp history, you will find out all the history of that particular as well. If you go to the particular customer, here the list of histories. If I go to the discuss screen again, so if I go to the discuss screen, so list of all the history will be showing here in the discuss screen as well. Thank you guys for watching.